Oh my god, can you see this beauty? Asawa. Achalugo man. Come on now, can you see this? This is giving effortlessly clean, beautiful, well put together, and very flawless makeup look. If you're on a budget, a beginner, you want to upgrade your makeup skills, you want to improve on your makeup, ensuring that you have a flawless look like this, then this video is for you. Okay, all of the products I used here are less than 20,000 naira. You heard me? Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is mbbofficial, and if this is the first time you are seeing me, hi, thank you so much for stopping. And if it's not your first time of seeing me, hello. Thank you so much for coming back again. Okay, now in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys step-by-step process to achieving a flawless finished look like this. If you're a beginner looking forward to upgrade your makeup skills, or you want to learn a makeup skill, probably you don't want to do it for the money, anything professional, then my girl, this video right here is for you. Okay, so grab your chair, stick around, because this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Okay, now all of the products I used here are less than 20,000 naira. You heard me? So I'm going to be leaving the products in the description box below, and I'm going to be leaving their prices as well in the description on the screen, so you can actually see that. And yeah, so guys, we're ready, and yeah, we're going to start off with our primer. Now this is the Kaliya Beauty Hydro Primer. It's the Hydro Primer. Bought this like a year ago and it cost 1,000 naira at the time. This is the Ever Pretty Celebrity and Model HD Moisturizing Foundation. I think this is in the shade 0.05. For my foundation, I got it for 4.5. Don't worry, I'm going to leave the prices of all of this on the screen, so as you see it, you know the exact price. For this lip gloss, which I used as my blush, you can try it out anyways, but that's what I've been using. This is the aloe lipstick. Then for my concealer, I used the Pro Concealer. Honestly, I don't know what shade it is, but yeah. And then I just went ahead to apply this product in these areas as seen. Okay, and then for this concealer, you just want to dab it from the ends through like your eyelids part. Okay, so you want to dab it gently. Now, one thing with makeup is blending is key. If you are rushing, please just get like a normal powder. Okay, so just get a normal powder, but settle down, sit down and blend properly. Okay, avoid harsh lines and all of that. And trust me, if you use all of the products as stated here, you're going to get similar results to what I got, and with more practice you get better. Okay, so I further went ahead to apply this concealer at my smile line, or my smile, what's it called here, and this is just basically to just help me avoid those harsh lines after trying all of that. And for my concealer, I got it for 2,000 naira. For my setting powder, I used the benlee luxury powder. Okay, and this comes in banana. Okay, I got this setting powder for 3,000 naira, if I'm not mistaken.
A gentle voice when you need to breathe, through every tear, through every fight.
This setting spray is the Kiss Beauty product. It's their makeup fix spray and UV water, refreshing, moist, long lasting, blah 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 blah. Okay, setting spray was 3,000 naira thereabout.
When hope feels gone,
these are the two brushes I used. I think I used a total of 3 brushes. Okay, so here I was just applying my foundation, just a little bit of my foundation at the areas of my brow. Okay, I went ahead to apply my foundation
with you.
at
I'll be the
the
strength when
at
you're
the
feeling
upper part of
weak.
my brow,
A
and then I use
gentle
a concealer to
voice when you need
at the
to
beginning
breathe.
ends of my
Through
brow. I don't know if
every
I'm making
tear,
sense.
through
Then I
every
use a
fight,
plain concealer.
I'll
Then I
love
use
you
a
through
plain
the
concealer
darkest
to
night.
for the lower part. Now this powder palette is the Face It HD Matte Full Coverage Smooth blah 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 my color
Through the
palette.
highs and through
I
the
got this as a
lows,
gift from Jewish
I'll
makeup
be
brand,
here so
and
you'll
honestly it has
know.
been so
No
helpful. I
need
advise you
to
get this.
ask,
So
no
I
need to
didn't necessarily pay
hide.
for this,
You'll
but I
always
think it costs
have
like
me by
6k
your side.
currently. I really do not know. For this brush I'm using, it costs 1000 naira or probably 15 by now. So for this brush, I just basically used it to, brush off excesses from my face. I used it to apply my contour, okay, under my cheekbone or my cheekbone areas,
Through
and
the
then I used
highs
it
and
again,
through the
to
lows, I'll be here
just brush
so
off
you
my
will
face,
know.
excess powder,
No need to
excess
ask, no need to
harsh powder.
hide.
Okay, for this
You'll
brush,
always
this
have me
little
by
brush
your
is the
side.
eyeshadow brush. I basically use two shades of my powder palette. Okay, so
When
now
the
you can get
weight
a
of the
smaller
world
version of
feels too
this
much
my
to
color
hold,
powder palette or something different
nights are
actually,
lonely, dark
just if
and
you're
cold.
strictly working on a budget. So I really
Take
don't
my
know how
hand,
much
don't
that
be
costs, but
afraid.
yeah, you can get something really
I'll
small
be the
for as low as
light that
5000
never
naira. Okay,
fades when
so I
the
basically
road
use
is
that
rough
two colors
and
to
dreams
just
feel
blend my
far.
face and use it for my
I'll
eyeshadow.
be
Now
right where you are. Through every
for my
tear,
eyeshadow
through
palette, you
every
guys please do not
fight,
laugh at
I'll
me.
stand
Okay,
with
okay,
you
okay,
and
we're on a
hold
budget
you
here, right?
near. Lean
Okay,
on my
so I
love
basically
when you're
use
losing your
my
way.
eyeshadow
I'll
palette,
be
the
your
red aspect
shelter.
of it, for
Hope you
blush. Now
stay
if you don't want to
through
use your
every
lipstick, you
storm,
can go
through
ahead. If you have an
skies
eyeshadow palette, you
unknown.
can go ahead to
No
use that
matter
eyeshadow palette and
what,
just
I'll stand
whisk it
with
up
you.
for
I'll
as a
be the
dry blush,
strength when
or
you're
you could probably
feeling
use your
weak.
lipstick in place
A
of this
gentle
dry
voice when you
um,
need to breathe.
blush.
Through
Okay, I don't know
every
if you get what I'm
tear,
saying, but
through
while
every
applying your blush,
fight,
you want to apply it
I'll
upwards.
love
Okay,
you through the
upwards, not
darkest
downwards. Okay, you
night.
want to apply it upwards into your hairline. Okay, yes. So for the eyeshadow palette, it's been so long I got that thing. I've not been using it. The only thing I'm using it for
When your
is my
heart is
blush, and
heavy,
I don't use it for any
hope
other
feels
purposes
gone.
again, or else it's
Find
very
you
rare. Okay,
not alone.
so I really do not know how much that costs, okay, in
Side by
total.
side, we'll
But
make it
I'm very sure you
through.
could get something for like 3000 naira,
I'll
okay?
keep
Yeah, you could get
believing
something
in
you
you.
could work with for like
Lean on
3000 naira,
my
okay?
love
So
when
yeah,
you're
so let's
losing
just
your way.
assume
I'll be
that
your
the
shelter.
eyeshadow palette is
Hope
3000
you
naira, okay? For like
stay
a
through every
bronzer or
storm, through
contour palette,
skies
probably
unknown.
you can get something
No
like
matter
5000. That's a total of
what, I'll
7000 naira, okay?
stand with you. I'll be the strength when you're feeling weak. A gentle voice when you need to breathe. Through every tear, through every fight, I'll love you through the darkest night. Through the
Then for
highs
this
and
my
through
lip,
the
I went ahead to
lows,
use a concealer.
I'll
Now
be
I used the
here so
normal
you
lip
will know.
gloss, the
No
absolute lip
need to
gloss, which costs
ask,
500
no
naira.
need to
And then I
hide.
use my
You'll
concealer again,
always
as you can
have
see in the
me
video,
by your
just to apply
side.
two dots on my lip because I don't want to, make it so overwhelming. Okay, so even with this, it's still looking much. Now this is the final look, you guys. I went ahead to apply my lashes off camera because that's a lot. Now these lashes cost just 1000 naira, so you can get something even with a lesser budget. I
Through the
started this makeup
highs
around
and
like
through the lows,
1 o'clock, so I'm going
I'll
to
be
show you
here
guys the
so you
time
will
duration which
know.
it lasted.
No
And
need to
this is the final
ask,
look, you guys. It
no
is
need
looking
to
so
hide.
beautiful, you
You'll
guys.
always have me by
I was
your
in love
side.
after styling my hair. I'm like, woo, this is just too beautiful, and I am in love. Now this
When the
is
weight of the
past 9, and
world
this is
feels
what
too
we're looking
much
like.
to
I just put out
hold.
my lashes. Hey guys,
Nights are lonely,
so
dark
this
and
is time
cold.
is past 9,
Take my hand, don't be
9:13. I don't know if you guys
afraid.
can see, and this is how my makeup is
I'll be
still
the
looking.
light that
So if
never
at all you're having
fades
any
when the
doubt for
road
this
is
product,
rough
in case you're having
and
doubts for the
dreams
product,
feel
I know some
far.
persons are going to say, oh, the product is
I
this,
will
the
be
product is
right
that.
where you
Please,
are.
this is
Through
9:13, and I
every
did this
tear,
makeup around kind of
through
like
every
1.
fight,
So from
till now. That's how many hours? 8 good hours, you guys. It's okay. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.